So how do you reset all settings on the iPad? Let me show you how it works. And if it's your first time in here, subscribe and we can get into it. So when we get inside of the settings app, you can see that you might be in some random place, but if you tap on general, this is the place where you likely see when you open a settings for the first time. But the point is that part of the general section at the bottom, we have the transfer or reset iPad. So this is what I want you to click on as such. And at the bottom, we have three things like transfer to Android, erase all content, and reset. So when you click on this reset button, it asks you or gives you a selection of so many random things you can reset. And the first thing from the list is the reset all settings. So if that's what you want, just click on it, confirm it, and it's going to reset every single setting on the iPad. Keep in mind that it's not going to delete your data. It's not going to remove your photos or apps or anything, but it's going to reset the settings. So I don't know, if you had a control center set up in a certain way, it's going to make it come back to the default state. So that's probably useful. But if you need some specific settings to be reset, you can also click on it below, like you have the keyboard dictionary and the network settings and so on. So you can also do it like this. Just try to avoid the erase all content and settings for obvious reasons, because this is gonna basically erase the iPad fully. So unless you want it, don't really go in here. So that would be all for me. That's pretty simple way on how we can reset the iPad. Let me know what you think about it below in the comments. I'm gonna wrap it up right now, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.